Welcome to the Swan Story YouTube channel. I'm Mark Swan.
I'm Barb, and this is Polly.
Hi, this is Mark. In our Fuzion 429, we have always, in the 2 years that we've owned this, had trouble with our TVs scanning for stations. We decided to take the KeyTV box out of the compartment here. This is where all the water supply goes in. And we discovered that the cable, the coax cable coming from the antenna, was not even connected to the antenna port. And so once we connected that, it's a simple twist on like any other coax. We can put our box back in. We have already done this and done a rescan of the TV stations, and it finds everything just fine. So if you're having trouble with your TV reception, this might be a very simple thing to check out. It could have been this way from the factory. It could have been this way after they replaced our original antenna with a Winegard 360. But either way, it's a very simple thing to check out, and it totally fixed our problem. Thanks for visiting our channel, and thanks for watching our video. If you want to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button right down there, and you'll get notified whenever we upload any new videos. Thanks for watching.